Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide multitasking page from system settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before I hide multitasking page from system settings, I want to show you the multitasking page. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System and scroll down. Here you will find an option Multitasking. Click on Multitasking to enter the multitasking page, and you can configure here multitasking. Now I am going to show you how to hide multitasking from system settings. Close Settings. In search type GPedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, click on Administrative Template and expand it. Now click on Control Panel, and here you will find an Settings Page Visibility, and now it's not configured. Right click on it and click on Edit. Click on Enabled, and under Settings Page Visibility, type Hide Clone Multitasking. Hide Clone Multitasking, and then click on Apply. Now click on OK. To make effective your changes in group policy immediately, you need to update group policy. To update group policy, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type gp update/force and then click on OK. Updating the policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now I am going to check. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System, and look, multitasking page is hidden right now from system settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.